The new year is a great time to declutter and organize. Ahead, we have tips on ways to do that quickly.
You're watching Good Morning Washington.
It's time to talk about simple ways to organize and declutter in the new year, because a lot of us can use that help. We're joined by lifestyle expert and podcast host Christina Daves. Hi, Christina. Welcome to Good Morning Washington again.
Thank you. Thank you. It's so good to be back.
Absolutely. I see a whole bunch of
We
stuff.
got a lot of stuff
that I also see in my house. So walk us through cleaning up that holiday stuff and the items that you have.
You were talking about you still have some holiday things away. So one of the things you can do, this is so great, you know how the wrapping paper always unravels?
Yes.
So just use a clip. Just a binder clip on
it's like a paper clip.
Just that.
Nice.
Yeah. And
I like
then
that.
take all of them and put them in a garment bag and hang them. A clear one, so you can do your birthday wraps, your holiday wraps. Isn't that great?
Wow, this is much better than having them all as my door stoppers.
Exactly.
Very unique, and it holds it pretty easily.
Right.
Oh, I love that.
Yeah,
And
so make sure it's clear. It makes it a
stops
lot
them from
easier.
being damaged.
Yeah.
All right.
Okay, so let's go into the pantry.
Okay.
You want to get organized. These are great, so you can see everything that's in. You're not digging back to look.
Okay, so the
but
stand itself.
when you do this, I want you to look at every bottle and everything you have in there, and if it's expired, throw it away. So as you're organizing, you got to
That's
toss
easy
the
to
old.
say.
I know, but when you're
What if
organizing,
you didn't use it that much? What if it's only a few days out?
oh, like some of the olive oil might be a little dated, but it's good olive oil, so I'm keeping it.
Yes, absolutely. But this is it inexpensive?
So inexpensive.
Oh, great.
Yeah. I just got it on Amazon, and this we don't have a lot of room, but it spreads out.
Oh, nice.
So that's actually probably about this big.
Perfect.
Yeah. Okay, back real quick to holiday. Do you bake cookies?
Yes, with my mom.
Okay, perfect. But you only use them once a year, right?
I know, because we don't want a gingerbread for the spring or for Easter. Or,
Throw it in a jar, put it on the top shelf of your pantry, and get it out of the way, because you only need it that 1 week.
And it's kind of cute.
Isn't that cute?
Yeah.
And then you can, again, use clear jars so you can see. Put your Easter ones up there, your Valentine's.
That's perfect, because you know what happens to me? Every time it's time to pull it out and make some cookies, I don't know where it is. I don't know, figure out finding it, and then I buy more.
There you go.
As soon as I buy more, I see the old ones.
Now you're organized. Do you have a junk drawer in your kitchen?
Everyone has a junk
I
drawer.
know.
I have 3.
Okay, you can organize your junk drawer.
Okay.
Just put things, put your Sharpies in one, your pencils in one, pens. You know, these are furniture pens, your sticky notes, little junk in your junk drawer. But it's just good, that way you can see it and always put it back.
You know what I love about this? With it all being separated, you're not blindly putting your hand in and getting poked by like a safety
staple,
pin or a staple or something.
Right.
Yeah, I love that.
Yeah. All right, this is brilliant. You take an ice cube tray and put your earrings in. So you have one for your silvers, one for your gold, one for your colored. Put the lid on, stick it in a drawer. So
I never would have thought of that.
Right?
And it's spacious for different types of shapes of earrings.
Yeah, and you can get bigger ice cube trays for your big hoops. Put them in. Yeah.
Sounds good. What else you got?
All right, we're going in the car. My car is a mess. You're always looking for something. Take these little bags, and you can see I put in here, you know, one's got pens, one's got reading glasses, one's got a flashlight and a tape measure.
And there's different sizes of the bags.
Different sizes. If you have kids, each kid could have their own colored bag.
Okay.
So when you're, here's your pen, here's your activities, and then you just clip them all together.
These are
All
wow.
clipped. So throw them in your glove box, in your center compartment. I got my grocery bags in there.
You got a little bit of everything.
Right?
And
But
it's
they're
not
all organized.
And with it being in a bag, it won't like float underneath the seat, get stuck somewhere.
Right.
You're like, what is going on by my gas pedal? And it's a shoe.
Right.
All right.
I've done that. I've had a
It's happened to all
flip-flop.
of us, yes.
Okay, holidays are over. Throw your receipts away.
Yeah.
These are mine. This is not good.
That's all you?
Yes. Well, we
Wow.
also moved to a new house, so there was a lot of shopping. But I'm like, I've been in the house since August.
Yeah.
So I was like, time to go. These are all going in the trash.
Absolutely. Gift receipts, all of it.
Yeah.
You don't even know where the stuff is.
Right. You're done, and they're usually
it.
30 days anyway. So after 30 days, get rid of it. Okay.
This is a standout for me.
My husband's hanging these today for me in my closet. So you just get a pegboard, get the hooks, and hang your jewelry. I don't know about yours. Mine is all tangled. He's constantly getting my necklaces apart. He's like, how do you do this? So just get pegboards, hang them in the back of your closet door. You know, if you've got an organizer in there.
Things that are so accessible that we just don't think of using for other purposes.
Right.
You can use things for multiple purposes, and I love that you put all this stuff together. Where can people follow you and get more tips when it comes to organizing, lifestyle, and everything that you do?
ChristinaDaves.com.
Thank you so much, Christina. And thank you for motivating me and hopefully all of us to get that holiday stuff out. And really, a clean home equals a clean mind.
It does. It really does. You'll feel good when you do it.
All right. Thanks for joining me on Good Morning Washington.